Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Best IT Solution, and today our topic is what is immutable list and how we can create immutable list in Java. Okay, so first we will see what is immutable list. So immutable list, as suggested by the name, it is a type of list which is immutable. It means that the content of the list are fixed or constant after declaration, that is they are read only. So once we have created a list or declared a list, later we cannot add element to that list or remove element to that list. Okay, so if any attempt made to add, delete and update elements in the list, unsupported operation exception is thrown. So in later, if we want to make any element add or delete or update, it will throw unsupported operation exception. And an immutable list does not allow null element either. So immutable list also does not allow the null value. We cannot store null value in immutable list. If any attempt made to create an immutable list with null element, so null pointer exception is thrown. So if during the creation of the immutable list, if we want to store any null value, then it will throw null pointer exception. And if any attempt is made to add null element later in list, it will show unsupported operation exception. It will throw unsupported exception, unsupported operation exception. Okay. So advantages of immutable list. So what are the advantages of immutable list? So first advantage, they are thread safe. So immutable list are thread safe, that is synchronized. And another is they are memory efficient. Efficiently we can manage the memory immutable list. Another one is, since they are immutable, that is cannot change, hence they can be passed over to third party libraries without any problem. So since they are immutable, they are easily passed over the third party library without any problem. So these are the advantages, like thread safe, memory efficient and easily safely passed to the third party libraries. Okay. So then we will discuss how to create immutable list. Okay, so immutable list can be created by various methods. So this includes like by using Arrays.asList method. So if we will create a list with the help of asList method of arrays class, then it will create a immutable list. Using Java 9 factory of method. Okay, so in Java 9 there is a method present in list interface like of. So through the of, the help of of method, we can if we will create a list, it is also immutable. By using onModify list method, so if the list already is present, if there is a mutable list already present, so by using if we will pass that list to the onModifiable list method, it will also immutable. Then using builder from immutable list, so by using the help of builder also we can create immutable list. And new immutable list using of function from Guava. So there is of method in immutable list class also. So we can create immutable list also with the of function of immutable list from Guava library. So Guava is a library. We need to include this library to our project to access this facility. Another one is from existing list using copyOf function. So using the copyOf function also we can create a immutable list. So these two of method and the copyOf function comes from the Guava library. Okay, so we need to add Guava library to our application. So here I have given some code snippet to understand the concept, like by using Arrays.asList method. So parallelly we can also do the practical for it. So okay, so here is a class, public class list demo, public static void main list Arrays.asList apple mango banana. So here I have created a list using asList method. Okay, and we can check this also. So for practical I am going to so in STS I have created a project named test, and here I am going to create a class. in main.java. Okay, so new class, that is list demo. Also I am importing the main method. Okay, so here list arrays.asList apple, mango, banana, list.grapes. This will show unserved exception. Okay, so just I am importing the list. Java.util arrays also Java.util. Okay, so just save the program and run it. Okay. So you can see here the output apple, mango, banana. Okay, so but if I will try to add element after the list is created, then it will show error. So just save and run again. Okay, you can see here now it will show unsupported exception. Okay, so that means asList method created a immutable list. We cannot add element in this list again. Okay, okay, so next is by using Java 9 factory of method. Okay, so by using the factory method also we can create an immutable list. So just okay, so here list.of apple, mango, orange, and first I am comment this one and I am trying to run the project. Okay, so list.of using the of method. So this of method introduced in Java 9. Before Java, if you are using JDK 9, before JDK 9, you cannot find this method. It is present in list interface. So if I will create a list using this of method, it is also an immutable list. So for your convenience, if I will uncomment this code and try to add an element. Okay, so you can see it will show the unsupported exception. Okay, that means it is also an immutable list. And the another way we can create immutable unmodifiable list. So here there is a list of integer. Just copying the code. Okay, so here list of integer, creating a blank list by using array list method. It is modified list, and I have added some element of 5, 6 and 7, and collections import from Java util. Okay, so now if I will run the program, it will print 5, 6, 7. Okay, but after it passing to the unmodifiable list, now this unmodified list, this list is a modifiable, that is mutable list. But if when I have passed this list to this unmodifiable list, that now this immutable list is this immutable list, we cannot add element into it. So if we will try to add element into here, okay, just uncomment it and I am running the project. You can see here it is showing unsupported exception. That means this operation is not allowed to add element. Okay, so in this way we can also make a list immutable. And another way is like builder. So using the builder method also we can create a immutable list. So here you can see it is showing the error immutable. You cannot find the immutable list. Okay, so we need to add a jar for that in our build path for immutable. So just I have already added the jar, that is a import immutable list com.google.common.collect. Okay, so this is the jar location. Okay, so for adding these jars, what you will do, so if I will remove the jar, I am showing you by deleting the jar, and again I will add. Okay, so just go to the build path, configure build path, and here I have added the jar, so I am just remove it, remove, apply, okay. So now you can see here this is showing the error because jar has not added. Now the import option is also not showing here. So for that, to resolve this, what you will do, just go to the browser and type here, you need to download this jar, that is Guava. Download Guava jar. Okay, so download Guava, the download com.google.guava jar. Okay, so this is the I think official website. So you can download the version like gwt testlib download guava.jar. Okay, so you can download this one. Just wait, this downloading. Yes, so all it's just 2.8 MB size. So it is downloading now, just wait for some time. Yes, so now it is downloaded, so in folder, and it is a zip file, so you need to extract the file. So extract all and extract. Okay, so you can see the Guava jar already we got. Now you need to add this Guava jar file to our project. Okay, then only this will resolve. Okay, so go to your build path, configure build path, class path, add external jars. Okay, Guava jars 32.1.1 JRE. Okay, or you can go to the exact location. Open, apply. Okay. So now you have added this Guava jar. Now if you will show, you can get the suggestion of Guava. Okay. Okay, now this error has resolved. Okay. So this is the builder using this immutable list builder method. You can also create immutable list. So immutable list dot builder, and if we will pass the value here, it will create the immutable list. So just I am saving it and running the program. Apple, orange, lychee. So if we will try to add element in this only immutable list, it will show error. Okay, you can show it is showing one separate exception. That means it will not allow for the adding the new element after the list is built. So in this way also you can create a immutable list, and another way is like immutable list using of method of Guava. Okay, so Okay, I'm just copying the code. Okay, so here is, you can see ImmutableList.off. So this immutable list also comes from com.google.common.collect. This is Guava library. This is also from Guava libraries, and I have created list by using off method of this immutable list class. And if I will run the program, I will get the output. But if I will try to add element after creating it, just save it and run. Okay, so you can see here it will showing the unsupported exception, unsupported operation exception. That means operation not allowed. In this way also we can create a immutable list. And another way is the from existing list with a copyOf function. So by using the copyOf function, so if we can also create immutable list. Okay, so here I have created a blank list first using new array list. Then I have add some element apple, mango, orange, and then this is the list which is mutable because in the I have created using the array list method, and then I have passed this list to the immutable list class dot copyOf, immutable list class copyOf method. So then it will being a immutable list. So just save it and run the program. So we got the output of apple, mango, orange. And if I will try to add some element after creating the list, you can okay, now I am trying to add another element banana to this immutable list. Just save it and run. Okay, so you can see it will also showing the unsupported exception, unsupported operation exception. That means this operation is not allowed here. So this is also an immutable list now because we have passed this immutable list to this immutable list dot copyOf method. Okay, so in this different type of ways we can create a immutable list to our in Java application. Okay, so thank you guys. If you get some knowledge from this video to motivate me, please like, share the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.